Good morning, children. Now, first I am going to discuss with you the half yearly syllabus. First, you note down the Sanskrit syllabus of half yearly exam. This is the syllabus. Look at it properly. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and Punravritti. Lata Shabdru and Bhudhaturu. Latlakar and Litlakar. Latlakar means present tense, Litlakar means future tense. Lata Shabdru given in page number 99 and 100 in your book. And Bhudhaturu, Latlakar, Litlakar given in the page number 103 in your book. Note down the syllabus and accordingly syllabus you have to do the revision. Now come to the revision from lesson 1 to 6. Shortly I am giving you the revision. You have to follow it like this. Here I had given 30 sentences from the lesson 1 to 6. See that first lesson onwards to 6th lesson up to 6th lesson I had given few sentences. 30 sentences is there. Number 1, Esha Arnava. Arnava Chhatra Asti. Arnava Kim Karoti. Arnava Likhati. किम नेहा गायति नेहा न गायति सा नमति नी एते बालका बालका हसन्ति खादन्ति च अनुराग अर्णव अभिनव च लिखन्ति एषा क्रीडाकालांस ते बालका अधुना क्रीडन्ति छात्रा पठन्ति लिखन्ति च अर्णव सायं खेलति किं त्वं सायं खेलसि आम अहम सायं खेलामि अम्बा भोजनाय भोजनं पचति अत्र बालकाः क्रीडन्ति अद्य वयं क्रिकेट खेल खेलामः एते बालिके बालिके गायत रीमा सीमा च खेलत सा अजा अस्ति अजा चरति सिंहः गर्जति त्वं कः असि युवां कौ स्थ यूयं के स्थ एषः शुकः शुकः वदति गजः शनैः शनैः चलति Ashwa Tivram Dhavanti. This is the first lesson to 6th lesson sentences. You have to make it this practice of the lesson Hindi meaning properly in your rough notebook regularly and with the Hindi word meaning, with the Hindi meaning of the lesson, you have to learn the word meaning also from every lesson. Now exercise. Come to the exercise, which one actually all the exercise is compulsory to do in your book, but in between it is the importance one. You have to do it in your rough notebook first in book and then after do the rough notebook and learn it also. First lesson 1 exercise question number 1 and 4, lesson 2 question number 1, 5 and 6, lesson 3 question number 5 and part sangatam parikshanam. Lesson number 4, Likhit 1 and 4. After the 4 lesson, Punravritti is given. Punravritti is also compulsory to do. Question number 5 and 6. Lesson 5, question number 1 and 4. And lesson 6, question number 1, 3 and 4. This is the important question. You have to do it. Rest of the exercise in your book only do. But these all the numbers which I had given now, this you will do it rough notebook properly and learn it also. About this, next is Lata Shabdru. This is given Prathama to Sambodhan. First you will write in Sanskrit notebook and learn it and write it again in rough notebook also. Same Bhaudhaturup, Latlakar and Litlakar. First you will write in Sanskrit notebook. After that learn and write it in rough notebook. Your revision, I have given revision properly. You have to do it practice for half yearly exam.